Hi everybody, this is MuWID, the content management system for Adobe Muse. And in this video, I want to give you the first introduction of the MuWID system and show you how you will be able to create complex dynamic websites via Adobe Muse and MuWID content management system. So what do we start with? I want to show you the instruments and the possibilities of the system. And we will start with Adobe Muse itself. Here it is. Adobe Muse lets you compose your website, your pages visually. You don't need any code when you create the website via Adobe Muse. You can do it just as you do it in Photoshop or Illustrator, only visually. We can use the integrated widgets in the system. Right now you can see the gallery widget, and we use it for creating slides. It's quite good. But there is one essential moment. When you create a website via Adobe Muse, you cannot create the dynamic website because Muse doesn't work with MySQL database. You cannot link your website to MySQL. You cannot generate template pages, news pages. You cannot create new menu elements. So that's really essential because that makes it impossible to create a complex dynamic website via Muse. But the constructor itself is really very good. It's so convenient to create the websites visually, and they are so beautiful. So we really enjoy this instrument, and for a whole year we've been thinking about this problem, and we tried to solve it somehow, and we tried to find a way to make Adobe Muse able to create a complex dynamic website, and we found the solution finally. I'm really happy to introduce you this solution. This is MuWID, the content management system for Adobe Muse, the instrument that lets you create complex, dynamic, beautiful websites without any code. And my task is to teach you how you can do that. So the website you can see right now, it took like 40 minutes to create it. It's created via Muse. So you do the design in Muse. Here are the pages. And they have the templates. Here are two templates for the pages. In the first one, I use one widget for menu, and the second one, a different one. There is a slight difference, and I will show you the difference a bit later. Okay. And now I want to explain you the process of the web development now. The first stage is creating the design, and the second stage is putting the widgets. Here is a MuWID, the content management system, its interface. You can download the plugins here. This is how you download the widgets for your projects. In your downloads, you will find the widget itself. Here it is. Here are our widgets. You can put it to your project folder. The gallery here. Here it is. The news generator. Here it is. Here it is in action. Here is how it looks like on your final website. Here is how it looks like in the administration panel. Here is a news section, just to let you see how it looks like. There is a news output, 6 news here. On the page we can see 4 news on first page and other news are on the next page. How did I do that? I will show you quickly. Here you can see the number of pages option, and I put the number of news I want to see on one page right here. Okay, I can change it at any moment, but now I like it to be four news on one page. 4 news on one page. The next page appears automatically, and here are the rest of the news. Good. I can put it anywhere I like, this widget, news widget. Here, for example, on the index page, I can change the news output from first to last, from last to first, any settings you need. Okay, let's go further. So this is how I create the new element, news, a new article. I write a header, type a header, hi everybody, and the text itself, testing, the news widget. I put a date here. Replace. Go to the website itself. Refresh it. The news. Here it is. The new article, the new element, the new block. I open it. Here is an independent page for this article. You can paste any image here. I will show you how do I do that. Here is a plugin for illustrations plugin. I do have an image downloaded here. I copy a link, click this icon, paste the link, give it the width, the height, okay. Replace to the website, refresh the page. What do I see? I can see an image here. Here it is. Okay, wonderful. We go to the news section and we can see that this image became a preview for the article. Wonderful. Okay, what else? We're done with the news. We definitely need other pages on our website. We need some templates for these pages. There will be description, your product, your plans, the description of your project itself. So in my case, I have the description of different sites I can create via MuWID. And now we can see there is a small problem. The widget crosses the header. We should fix it. Now we can fix it really quickly. Oh, the problem is that the widget was in header. We move it to the body, send it to FTP. Small problem. Okay, we will fix it quickly. Refresh it. And now we can see it works properly. Wonderful, really easy, really quickly. Now let's go back to other pages. What else do we have here? We have the news, and we need the template. We use this template for it, and we have a page for separate news. We saw it already. Here are the news once again. Here is the page for the news. Here is the page for an independent article, for every article. This is it. We've been working with it 2 minutes ago. And you can place any other objects, API of the contacts, Facebook, social network, send it on. And it will go down automatically if you have more content in the widget itself. And the design will be saved. Okay, other pages on our website. I have just the types of the website. You can create via MuWID here, info site, cooperative site, and that on. There is a new template. It looks different. I will show you. These were the news. I created a small marker to let you see it. And this is a different page. We just saw it, the info site. There is a different color of this element just to let you see. This is a different template. Okay, this is the same template. And in our project, they use only one template for all these pages, just to let you see that. Okay, this is how it works really easily. We can say we have created Joomla or WordPress already. So how do we create the template page? This is the news generator. This is the MuWID directory section. Here is how we create the new submenu. Here is how we set it, edit it. We give it a header. Hi everybody. Replace. Okay. In pages generator, if I click this green cross, I create a submenu. And if I click this icon, it makes, if the green cross gives you the same menu on the same level, and the blue icon, the sub-level. Okay, create a new page, the header. I give it the name, type some text, testing, the page is plugging, dot, the date. We can leave it like this now. Okay, and here we create the same page in the news generator. Hi everybody, testing, pages plugging, replace, back to the website, refresh. What do we see here? A new menu element and the text here. Wonderful, that's it. Just 2 minutes. Okay, what else? The gallery, another instrument of our content management system. It looks like that now. We have albums with previews. Here are the images. You can flip them. How does it look like in the Muse project? I create a gallery page, gallery.html. Here it is in Muse. I put the page widget here, just a static page, so it deals with the header and the text. And I place the gallery widget here. I will show you the details later. Now I just want to let you see how the system works in general. Here are the plugins. You download them here. You download the widgets and you install the widgets in here and give the parameters here. And that's how you edit it. Okay, let's go back to the gallery. How does it work like? Here is a gallery. Two galleries here now. I want to create a new one. I give it a name. Create. Here is the gallery itself. I want to download the images. Download new images. Go back. Go to the gallery, refresh the page, and voila, I have a new gallery here, a new album. Here is the name. I enter the album. I can see the images here. Click one of them. Here is the full image, and I can see the description and the title here. I can flip it like that. Back, forward. And here is how I close the gallery. Voila, here is a new dynamic gallery. Really quickly, really easy. You can see this title here. So the system just picked up the name of the file itself. So if you want to change it, if the name was not appropriate, you just enter the administration panel, and in the gallery you choose this illustration and change its name and description. Testing the gallery plugin. Replace, refresh. Here it is, the new name and the new title, the new description. New title, new description. Okay, and the last one, the contacts. How does it look like in Muse? Here is the page, the contacts page. I placed to the body below the header a usual API map, Yandex map, and below the map I placed the widget. This is where I downloaded it, the pages widget. Here it is, the contacts page. Here is its ID 5. If I create a new page, it will have ID 6. So if I just change the ID here, the content of the widget will change and we will see the content of the page 6. But I need the content of the page 5. I leave it here. Here it is. Hi everybody. The text. Okay, I add new text here. Hi everybody. Replace. Refresh. This is how I edit the text in the widget. So as you can see, we can edit the static pages and the dynamic pages as well. So I hope this first introduction was useful. I hope you will enjoy creating incredible, dynamic, complex websites with MuWID. Develop with us. See you, bye.